has issued a special marine warning for Pamlico Sound over Atlantic offshore waters, including Cohard, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, possibly producing a waterspout 6 nautical miles southwest of Cohard, moving southeast to 10 knots. This possible waterspout will be near 5 nautical miles southwest of Cohard by 5:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high wave heights, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Widespread